Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. Today, I want to show you this beautiful picture of a swan that I found on Pixabay, and I am going to attempt to paint this beautiful swan. This is my tracing of it, and yes, I did trace it, and then put it on my watercolor paper. The watercolor paper is 100% cotton. It is arches, and it is 140 pound. Now what I'm doing here, I'm just putting some masking fluid over the swans so that I can paint a continuous background without having to worry about lifting my paintbrush, missing the swan, or painting over it accidentally. It's not a have-to step. You don't have to do this. It's not necessary, but it does make it so much easier. And I find that the masking fluid from Schminke is one of the best that I've ever used. It doesn't peel the paper off. So if you are going to splurge on something, splurge on, the Schminke masking fluid, because it's so good. It's really that good. And I skipped a little bit here, and now I'm going to paint the reflection of the swan in the water. I want to mask that as well so that the entire thing is easy to paint, and I can go back over it, and I'll be painting the swans last. So if I can tell you a little bit more about this painting, I'm going to be doing this painting in stages. So this is part one of this video, and if you are enjoying it, I sure would appreciate it if you give me a quick like, a quick thumbs up. It helps other people find my videos too, and I would love to have a few more people perhaps subscribing to my videos. But anyway, this is the swan is reflected in a lake setting with some grasses in the background. It's really a very beautiful picture. And I am going to attempt to get this as accurately portrayed as possible. It's a little bit of a, how should I say it? It's a little bit of a detailed and difficult painting to do, but I'm trying to do it in a looser manner if possible. Now here I'm mixing up some blues and maybe making it a little bit gray for the water and the background. I did discover that the smaller brush just wasn't cutting it. I was going to have to use a bigger brush. And that's what I did. So now I'm just going to hush for a little while and let you watch this process. This is the last step in this particular video, and then I will continue. I'll leave a link for the next video for you to follow part two.